So today, why not to buy highly compressed Idaho hay and breakfast for all the animals? Let's go. Breakfast is served. For the pigs this morning, a scrumptious combination of leftover black-eyed peas, potato skins, banana peels, eggshells. Piggers. Added to that will be a bucket of pig food to balance everything out. Pig food is candy for goats and they're chasing me with it. Yeah, there's nothing in there. See, look. There's nothing left. Donald and the chickens that are outside are getting pig food as well. We feed them a lot of all-stock feed. Feed all-stock feed to pretty much all the animals. No eggs?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Wow!
This is a compressed bale of hay, and I bought this for one reason. Really, it's because I wanted to see it pop open. I saw it at Tractor Supply and I said, that is crazy. It weighs at least 50 pounds. It may weigh 60 pounds. It's very heavy. So I just wanted to do this for fun. Mostly for me, but you can come. This bale of hay came all the way from Idaho, which is, yeah, it's goofiness. It cost $20. That's you could buy 3 or 4 bales of hay for that. It'll be a one-time thing. I saw the size of it and I kicked it and I was like, man, that's solid. I want to see that pop open. So let's pop it open. All right, stand back. Everyone back. Everyone back. Everyone back. Everyone back. All right, here it goes. Goat. Watch out! Ah! No regard for videography. Watch out, watch out. Okay, here we go! Ow! So dramatic. Okay, that was really dramatic. That was a little disappointing. I was expecting it to explode and expand like 6 times. But it's just kind of, it just popped open. You could pretty much build a house or something with these. They're like boards. It's like plywood more than hay. Hold it tight, 2 hands. Don't let it.
I want to hold a piece.
You can hold it when your brother's done holding it. All right, don't break that up, bud.
Oh, that's right.
Wow.
Oh, it's heavy. All right, throw it in. That's a mix of alfalfa and orchard grass hay, and they don't get alfalfa, so they're loving it. They're just digging into it, and they'll eat it all. My sister Priscilla has joined us for lunch. I think she actually might have brought us lunch. That's nice.
Thanks for trying to help.
You know what
I think
boys
that's a little
like,
too
right?
loud.
You know what little boys
Ready?
like, don't you? They like dinosaur sounds.
Ready?
The reasons to not buy compressed Idaho hay are pretty straightforward. It just doesn't make sense to transport your hay all the way across the country and pay $20 for what turned out to be kind of a small bale. But then I know some of you live in areas where they don't really grow hay, so you have to buy imported hay anyway. I just hope you're getting it at a better price than $20 per bale. I'm just sitting out here in the barn watching the animals finish off the rest of this bale, and I want to say thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. This is a really short video, but we've got, I think, how many now? 600 videos? Some crazy number of videos. So check them out if you've not seen those.